Risotto Primavera. MSR 1.1 liter stowaway pot with stove inside from the Mi Woodsman. Thank you very much, John, again. How'd that go again? Enough fuel in there. I do have some. Okay, so the website said that we currently have burn bans on. So, but the signs all say moderate. So I don't want to risk it because having a fire during a ban is a $5,000 fine. So I'm going to be I'm going to be boiling on the stump. And I have a gallon of water here. Well, a little less than a gallon of water should things get out of control, which I doubt they will because it's going to be contained inside of a stove. And if I have to, I kick it into the fire ring, which is right here, just in case. So safety first and avoiding big fines. Alright, so some of you may remember this from my video. I will link it below if you hadn't seen it. This is my vehicle cook kit. As I commented, I did take out the bug spray from the top. And what I did is I threw in some Texas Pete hot sauce and some Splenda instead. So the bug spray is now in here in a Ziploc baggie. So maybe not the best idea keeping it with the water filter, but you know, it is in a baggie, so it should be okay. If not, I'll move it again. Or just take it out completely. So, measuring cup. This guy back in. For now. Put things away so I don't lose them. Now, Risotto Primavera, 2 cups of boiling water. As I've said before, in fact I've said in many videos, I like to measure my water because I like an accurate amount for what I'm doing. My stove is priming up nicely. So 2 cups of water. Alright, I hope I didn't hose myself by... I think I had this wrong. I'm pretty sure I had this screwed up. So I think this is supposed to go on top here? No. The way around. How did that go again? Well, you know what? Hey, that works. I probably got the stove upside down again, but oops. If it works like this, we'll just run with it. Let's see. Risotto Primavera. Vegetable stock, onions, celery, carrots, leeks, mushrooms, tomatoes, parsley, peppercorns. That's in the stock. It's rice, white wine, onions, extra virgin olive oil, green peas, asparagus, carrot, broccoli, natural yeast, kosher salt, and pepper. This is from Backpackers Bistro. I've never had this before, so it will be my first time. This is tonight's dinner. Pull out the little seasoning packet. Is there another one down there? No, that's the fold of the bag. And because there's no meat in here, I'm going to add a can of white and dark chicken. But I'm going to need to open that can real quick. So I've got my... No, I don't have them in here. I moved it over here to save space. My can openers. Check on the stove. Alright. Still burning along nicely. That's pretty boil. Nice. Alright, there we go. Alright, might be a little soon, but I'm going to go ahead and dump the chicken in. Mainly because the flies are just being a major pain today. And of course I had to drop some on the ground, or the tailgate. Yeah, that was smart. Real smart. So I did have it upside down, so whoops. But you know, it still worked. Even though I had it upside down, it still worked just fine. So boiled my water, which is all I wanted to do. It would have sat like that. So yeah, whoops. But hey, you know, keeping it real. There we go. Alright, let's try the Backpackers Bistro Risotto Primavera. Give this stuff a try. I've had the risotto before. It's freaking delicious. I don't know if you've ever had it. Highly recommend it. It is good. So, give that a stir. You know what I should have done? I should have tried it without the chicken. So that's what she looks like. Well, so I think that's really good. I like that. Has a nice flavor. The texture of the rice, I probably could let it sit a little bit longer, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because the rice has a little bit of a texture to it. It's like just on the cusp of al dente. It does, however, need something. Bust out my So I'm going to throw in some pepper and a little bit of salt. And I didn't put any salt in the water when I boiled it, so come on, open up. There we go. Oh. Let's put the whole thing in there. Give it a stir. Oh yeah. Yeah, the salt and pepper was a good call. There's only one of each too. Oh, my assessment of the Risotto Primavera, it's good. I would get it again. For sure. Nice flavor, good texture. Just boil some water. So I'll put the website down below, backpackersbistro.com. It's right here. Let me see that. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.